Hi everyone, welcome to our fourth and final video talking about personal injury law and suits with Dan Lipman from Parker Lipman. I'm going to jump right into our questions. We have a loaded first one. Can you tell me what privacy considerations should a victim survivor consider when weighing the option of pursuing a personal injury case?
When considering pursuing a personal injury case, it's really important to remember that your conversation with the lawyer is 100% confidential. Even if you just call a lawyer to consult with the lawyer to see if you want to hire that lawyer, the information you give that lawyer and the conversation you have with that lawyer is 100% confidential. If you don't go on to hire the lawyer, and in fact, if you hire a different lawyer, it doesn't matter. All of your conversations with the lawyer are confidential. So it's really important that when you talk with a lawyer to keep in mind that the conversation is confidential and to go ahead and tell that lawyer everything that happened, even if those things are difficult to talk about. That way the lawyer can fully assess the case. If the decision is made to get into formal litigation, what that means is filing a lawsuit in court, your conversations with the lawyer are still confidential, but there may be some things that need to be disclosed in the court filings. And it's important for you to talk to your lawyer about what those things are and how it may impact your emotional state or how it may impact the lawsuit.
And our last question for you really asks you to tell us what other things would you want victims or survivors who are considering this to know before about their options, about their rights, before they jump into this decision?
Another thing I'd like people to know that have been injured or hurt by no fault of their own is if you don't know whether you have a case against somebody else, if you don't know whether you want to pursue a case against somebody else, go ahead and call a lawyer and talk to them about it. Just because you call a lawyer, it's 100% confidential, and it doesn't mean that you have to proceed with a lawsuit. And you need to find out your rights and find out what the options are, because we've had many people contact us in the past that are hesitant. They don't know if they want to go forward, and we've talked about their options and they've gotten excellent outcomes. It doesn't hurt to call and ask.
Well, Dan, thank you so much for joining us for this series. I know the information you've shared will be invaluable to the folks who are watching. Again, this is Dan Lipman from Parker Lipman. We appreciate you joining us.